Well, welcome everyone to today's video lesson. We shall be looking at reducing fraction to their lowest term. Reducing fraction to their lowest term. As you solve a mathematics question, somehow you get to see your values looking very big. Something after adding two fractions, you can see something like 4 over 8. At this point, you can't leave your answer like this. You're expected to reduce it to its lowest term. That is why learning how to identify the factors of whole number is very necessary. In case you don't know how to figure that out, I already have a video on identifying how to identify the factors of whole numbers. You can check the link in the description below. It will take you to that video. So we know that the 2 is a factor of 4 and 8, as well as 4 itself, because factors of 4, we have 1, we have 2, we have 4. Factors of 8, we have 1, we have 2, you have 4, and you have 8. You see, so it's very important that you know your factors. So if you check, our 4 is the HCF, which I want to use to reduce this fraction to its lowest term. On that note, 4 going to 4 will give me 1. 4 going to 8 will give me 2. You see, I can as well use 2 to start while I keep on breaking it down. That is why it's important you learn how to figure out the factors of numbers, because it helps you to reduce fraction to their lowest term. Let's check another one. Let's say we are giving, 15 over 20. We are giving 15 over 20 to reduce to their lowest term. We have 15 over 20. Now, one of the factors of 15 and 20 we know is 5. So 5 going to 15 will give us 5 will give us 3. 5 goes into 20 will give us 4. And obviously 3 over 4 has been reduced to its lowest term. Let's check 12 and 24. 12 and 24. I don't know what factors of numbers are and HCF. In case you don't also know how to figure out the HCF of numbers, I've actually also done a video on that. You can check my other videos on that. But we know that the HCF of 12 and 24 is 12 itself, because 12 is the highest number that can divide 12 and 24 without remainder. So I'm going for the HCF. 12 going to 12 will give me 1. 24 divided by 12 will give me 2. So that's the importance of knowing your HCF and your factors as well. So let's check other examples. Under this, we have under examples under this we have, let's consider stuff like let's say if we have 14 over 21, reducing it to its lowest term. We notice that 14 is actually a multiple of 7, and 21 is also a multiple of 7. So 7 going to 14 will give me we have 2 groups of 7 in 14, and we have 3 groups of 7 in 21. So the answer becomes 3 over 21. All right, I can also choose to use is a prime factor method, prime factorization method, meaning 14 can be expressed as 2 times 7, and 21 can be expressed as 3 times 7. You see, on that note, 7 will cancel out 7, so I'll be left with 2 over 3. This is one of the ways you can go about it, okay, which helps you to really reduce it to its lowest term speedily. Another one we want to do again is let's say 20. Let's go with 20. Let's say 20, or say 6 over 8. 6 over 8. You can go with, you see, 6 over 8. 6 is 2 times 3. You see, and 8 is 2 times 2 times 2. I'm using prime factorization method now. You notice that my 2 here can cancel out this 2, and that is all. So my 6 over 8 in its lowest term will be 3 over 4. Well, that is the much we can take for now, so that the video doesn't get too lengthy. In case you have any question, you can hit the comment box, and in case you've not subscribed, please do me a favor of subscribing, and also hit the notification bell, so in case you get notified when I post my new videos. Thank you for your time and patience. My name is Tambari, and I am